Hey Brad, I just wanted to show you how this shit works. As you can see, here's my phone. We look at the Boss. It's working like it would normally work, right? So this is what I figured out. I'm gonna go to SoundCamp. Alright, pulls up the little thing I showed you the other day. Now I'm gonna go to this beat maker. Alright, pulls up all these different musics and sounds you can use. So I'm gonna go to the real hip hop. Alright, pulls up the interface. Okay, now I figured out when I hit sample on the Boss, this is what allows me to hear the stuff on here. So check it out. Now watch this. Okay, so as you can see that, now that I can do that, all I did was just turned around and now it's sampled on the Boss. So look. So stuff that I stole from the thing is now on the Boss. And then I'm going to just turn around, clean it up, and make beats out of it. I even got dubstep on it. No, I think that's yours. Shit like that. You see what I'm saying? Dude, it's on. And then I can come here. I'll show you this. What makes this so cool. Then I can come here. And let's say I need a real bass sound. Wait 1 second. Ah. Oh, that's right. Sorry. Gotta hit sample. And then look. Dog. Man, check this shit out. Then, if I need a real drum set, I just go to the drum set. See? And that's my little video on how to sample from the phone to the Boss.